Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with the 4x5 reverse of film I remember that was a brochure or something. I shot this image in Ryukyu village, which is sort of cultural center type place. You can see all other Okinawan cultures, like food, like clothes, sort of those one village. You can walk around and you see some cultural stuff. So when you come to Okinawa, please go there and see our culture, Okinawan culture, Ryukyu village. Well, this is my subject today, and I want to try this. Well, as a matter of fact, I did last week, a couple weeks ago. I made a sort of watercolor image from this shot. Well, it's not the same shot. There was 3 old ladies that time, and now I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna use different image, but I shot same time, same place. Well, this is my subject today, and I'm gonna try to make something illustration from this image. Let's get started. Okay, I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type by Adobe Photoshop. Used a filter called Find Edges as always, and I'm gonna turn this one off first, and well, I might smudge later, so why don't I make duplicate layer from here, this, and I'm gonna turn this down, turn it off just now for just keep it, and I'm gonna work on this base image, the other one, and well, I'm gonna make this one as an illustration, well, as if I draw by crayon or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna make mask, then I invert this mask. Now I don't see image, so I'm gonna turn this one on, which is pencil drawing type, and also I'm gonna change the blend mode, normal to darken. Well, because after I reveal mask on the base image of this image, then you can see underneath of the image. Okay, well, now I gotta choose brush, sketching to artist crayon. This is pretty interesting. I used this crayon for still life the other day, but today I'm gonna use on this image. Well, pick some white color to reveal this mask. Okay, now I'm gonna go pretty big size, and opacity about 50%. Then let's see how it looks like. Well, we got the color image. She's making a Okinawan donut. It's a sort of snack. Very delicious, sweet. Well, let's make it smaller and then go for detail. Now I'm going to try as if I draw this image, make it much smaller, and let's see. Well, about this illustration type image, very difficult part is that how much you want to show the image. Which part do you want to show the image? That's the most, I think, difficult part. Because you don't want to show everything, it's gonna be just go back to real photograph. But some part, that's the, yeah. I don't want to show everything, but well, I don't want this straight line either. So I'm going to check some black to mask here. Just hide. Also, I don't want to show this pencil drawing type image, so I'm going to make mask on this too. Make mask, then just hide these black lines. I'm painting on here and also around here. Just tone down. Now what's next? Well, I think I'm gonna add some colors from, well, add layer. Then this time I'm gonna paint with the same crayon type with the, let's see, brownish. Add the fire too, maybe fire colors, more reddish. We're gonna get some hot image. Okay, and how about maybe touch saturated color on her clothes? Well, I won't show this snack. Reveal this mask again. Maybe I should lighten up around here, huh? Well, I can try this. Well, on this, let's try it. I'm gonna duplicate this image just in case for cover this. Then I'm gonna work on this. Well, curves to pencil. Then choose the pencil with, well, airbrushing to soft airbrush. Then let's see about, oops, where it goes. Choose curves, pencil, and around this area. It's gamma. It's already go up. Lighten up, you see here. Okay, I want to make it a little bit more contrast, so lighten up overall image. And then just tone down on shadow side. Make it a little bit contrast here. And that's about it. Let's lighten up. How about this fire area? touched. It goes okay. Now, before, after. Let's see what I can do from here. This mask, highlight effect only. Not all over the image. Well, fill layer. Then I'm gonna reveal this with white. Then reveal this area. Just touch darker. You see this much, a little bit. Yeah, you see here. Okay, this much for pencil drawing type image. Oh, how about, let me see, let me check. Move this base image over this top, then show this image, change only for, this is overlay now. This image, turn this one down. Let's see, just take this image off or off this. Just take hard light. We don't need hard light. Instead of hard light mode, just overlay. Yeah, we're gonna have some texture. Leave the texture. If I use this overlay instead of this, that's right, hard light. Take over this texture out. So I'm not gonna use this hard light mode layer. Instead of that, I'm gonna use this regular image, just change to the overlay mode. Yeah, it's 50%. Leave the texture. That's the way. Okay, I got it. Okay, we're gonna delete these masks. The image also hard light. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it. That's all about it. To get this Sata Andagi bright, darker, more sharper image, just change this regular image, change the mode to overlay. That's all. And then this is the image of the mask, and we have the pencil drawing type image here. I'm just hiding. Then layer, this one's doing, just paint it on, just add the color, normal image. Well, I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to create your own work. Thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.